Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to unbox and install a Tesla Model 3 wireless phone charger. So if you're new to the channel, my name's Travis and I love to film unboxing videos of cool new gear that I get for filmmaking and photography. If I ever go someplace cool, I'm definitely going to film a vlog about it. If I have any DIY projects around the house, usually assembling IKEA furniture or something Tesla related, I'll film those too. And whenever I learn something new in Adobe Premiere Elements, I'm going to film a tutorial about that as well. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you head down below and smash that subscribe button. So in today's video, we're going to unbox and install a Tesla Model 3 wireless phone charger. So in the center console of every Tesla Model 3, there's a great spot to put your cell phone. The only problem is when you're trying to charge your phone, they don't fit. So to solve that problem, you want to get yourself a wireless phone charger, and that's exactly what we have here. So we're going to unbox that and install it. So let's get into it. So a huge thank you to my friends at Laumox for sending me this Tesla Model 3 carbon fiber wireless phone charger. So let's get into the unboxing. Okay, so you have a USB splitter, which is great, especially if you're using Sentry mode. So you can still plug in your memory key as well as the Tesla phone charging base. It also comes with a 12 volt extension cable and a high-powered 12 volt plug. So again, you get your two splitters, you get a extension cable as well as a plug. And the charging pad itself is a nice carbon fiber. Okay, it gives you a spot for two phones. And then you have two USB cables on the back. And then you have your user manual. So it basically shows you how you can use the 12 volt accessory, or you can use the USB ports that are built into the dash already. So the T1 dual wireless charger has two connection ways. Mode 1, connect the two USBs of the wireless charger with the USB interface in the Tesla Model 3 console. It works up to 10 watts. Or you connect the wireless charger to the cigarette lighter interface and it works up to 20 watts. So you're doubling the wattage by using the accessory, the cigarette lighter accessory or 12 volt accessory. No one calls it a cigarette lighter anymore. It's basically a 12 volt plug now. And then you have the other option of directly connecting to the Tesla interface. So obviously with the higher wattage, you're going to get better charging, but the location of the 12 volt accessory in the Model 3 is actually further in the center console, which is why they're giving you this extension cable. So let's head on out to the Tesla Model 3 and get this installed, and let's see how it works. Okay, so we are now inside the Model 3 and we are going to install this wireless charging pad. Now there are two ways to do this. You can basically just take the charging pad itself with the two USBs off of the back of it and plug that directly into the front console of your Tesla. There are some USB ports, two of them, right there for you. And they give you these cool little splitters. So if you are using Sentry mode, you will still be able to do so with these guys right here. The second option, which I haven't quite figured out what to do with yet, is the 12 volt. So in the Model 3, the 12 volt, which is this guy here, is actually in the armrest console. So they've given you a extender, so to speak, to get the extra power up to the front console, but there's no real nice way of doing it without having the wires hang out. So we'll try and I'll show you what the results are, but I think I'm just going to be happy enough not to deal with the little wire USB anymore, just to be able to have the wireless charging. So let's get started. So the first step is to open up your front console. So as you can see, Tesla did give you some wire management options for your phone. Now you can buy these special Tesla USB adapters, and this will help because they are on a right angle. I don't actually have those, so this is why it's a bit of a pain for me to insert a phone. So the current way to insert your phone, if you do have the USBs run through the track, like I do here, is you basically need to take your phone and then just kind of line it up down there and plug it in, and I think, are we charging? Yep, and we're charging. So if you have a bigger phone, like the Samsung S10, it just barely fits in there with that wire. Now this does work, but the wireless charging obviously is going to be a huge upgrade. So let's get on to the install of the wireless charging pad. So the first thing you need to do is remove the pad that's already on the unit here. So that's this guy here. So we're going to pop that out. And you can see what I've kind of done here from cable management for this little USB. And now you want to take your charging pad. You can see the wires out on the back of it, pretty much where those holes are. So you want to take these guys and poke them through. It fits much flusher. So they've actually given you some sticky pads here. But right now, I'm just going to put it on like so. And then underneath, you can see you have your 2 USB ports. So that's when you want to use these adapters here. And basically these guys turn 1 port into 2. So if you're like me and you use Sentry mode, you're going to remove your USB for Sentry mode. And then you're going to plug that into the adapter like so. So this way you can still use your Sentry mode. Now we plug the adapter into the USB on the back wall. Plug the other adapter into the USB on the back wall. Then you take the charging pad and plug it into the USBs from the adapters. So this is the Samsung S10 Plus with a case on it. And if we place it on the pad, you can see wireless charging started, and we have 1 hour and 33 minutes until full. Now what I want to try is using the 12 volt adapter that they sent with this guy here and see what kind of speed difference we get. So the 12 volt adapter on the Model 3 is actually in the center console, which of course I have my camera on right now, so just show you guys actually where that is. Down here, right there. It's not focusing that well. Here we go. There we go. So that's it right here. So there's no real way to get the wire from here into this part here. It's all sealed underneath. Okay, so we've run the 12 volt extension cable that they gave us up to the front. We've plugged in the extra high power USBs. And we're going to place our phone on it. And we have 1 hour and 31 minutes until full. Take it off. Unplug the pad. And now what we're going to do is plug it into the 12 volt accessory. Okay, so that's done now. And now we're going to place our phone on here. And we have fast wireless charging, 1 hour and 4 minutes. So 25 minutes difference on the battery level that my phone had currently. So if that's of value to you, then you definitely want to use the adapter that they sent with it. The only thing is this 12-volt cable is still kind of hanging here. So like if I close this drawer, I close, yeah, there's nothing. So I have to figure out a better way to get this cable into the front console from the armrest console. To be honest, this is nice, but I'm probably not going to worry about it because this is going to charge my phone as fast as I need it to as is. But again, if you want a faster wireless charging experience, you're going to want to use this little adapter. Well, that was super easy to install. It looks good too, and I don't have to worry about the wires dangling and my phone not fitting anymore. So again, a huge thank you to Laumox for sending me the Tesla Model 3 wireless charger. And if you want to pick up one of these for your Tesla Model 3, I put a direct Amazon link in the description below. So thanks so much for watching today. If you like this video, make sure you head down below, hit that like button. It really makes a difference. If you want to see more videos like this one, smash that subscribe button. And until next time, take it easy out there.